Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So for today's video, it's happened. It's happened. It is the day that these angels have launched. I am so excited to say that I managed to get 2 of these as well as 2 crown mirrors, meaning you know I'm going to be doing a giveaway on this channel for 1 lucky subscriber. So please make sure you stick around till the end of the video so you can know how to enter for that. But yeah, guys, for today's video, I'm going to be talking a little bit in depth about this gorgeous baby. I have already used it once. I created this gorgeous eye look here with it. I will actually have that posted in a couple days, so make sure you keep your eyes out for it. But yeah, guys, if you want to see some swatches and get a little bit in depth about this gorgeous Bloodlust palette, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so first things first, I just want to say that it was a complete mission to get these palettes. I have been up today since about 4 a.m. my time. I don't even know what time that is where you are, but I am exhausted, but boy was it worth it. I missioned all the way to about an hour away from my house just to get this gorgeous palette, stood in line for 3 hours, and here we are. I am so happy and in love with it. This is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Bloodlust palette. It contains 18 shades with extreme payoff. There's a blendable matte, shimmer, and an all-new wet metallic formula, which is absolutely beautiful, by the way. This goes for $52 US and $73 Canadian, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Now, a lot of people have mentioned that they don't find that there's enough purples in this palette. After using the palette and looking at it in person, honestly, that isn't true. There is a good amount of purples here, if you ask me. Some of them look a little bit different in the pan than how they appear on the eye. Like this one's a lot darker. This is really light, but honestly, it's a gorgeous palette. This palette is absolutely iconic, and I can already tell that I cannot get enough of it. I am going to be using the death out of it. So let's dive into some swatches. In the first row, we have Your Majesty, a matte bone white, Take the Crown, an icy metallic lavender, Deviant, a matte lavender, Beauty Sleep, a duochrome gold pink, Wet Jewel, a reflective light pink metallic, which is a brand new formula, and Royal Pain, which is a matte warm red / mauve. In the next row, we have Dungeon, which is a matte dark plum, Scandal Water, which is a matte blue lavender, Sworn Enemy, which is a metallic gold green with glitter shift, Pink Magic, which is a reflective red, Bleeding Heart, which is a metallic red, Executioner, which is a black with purple and pink glitter shift. And in the final row, we have High King, which is a matte berry purple, Vivid Mood, which is a matte hot lavender purple, Monarchy, which is a matte muted brown, Blood Queen, which is a matte reddish purple, Vile Serpent, which is a matte hot teal, and Betrayal, which is a purple with a duochrome gold shift. Now guys, a lot of people have mentioned that they don't find that there's enough purples in this palette. I find quite the contrary. I think he made it a purple palette while still making it be versatile. See, like, who wants a palette with 18 just purples, right? You're not going to be able to be very versatile with it and do a vast array of looks. Whereas he threw in such fun pops of color in here where I feel like it's a very versatile palette, and I think he definitely did have that in mind when making the color story. So I have to disagree with that. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and when you see it in person, it's totally different. Now my thoughts on the palette. So after using the palette, I do have to say one thing. I think the formula is slightly different than his other ones, only because these need to be built up a slight bit more. Now, because the nature of purples are really hard to work with in shadow form, I feel like he did that so that we have an easier time, like kind of like troubleshooting it. So I feel like, yes, we have to build them up more, but I don't necessarily mind. I didn't find that they were patchy. Maybe a little bit, but that's because I kept going over top of the same spots with the same pigment over and over, and that's just a no-no, so that's more on me. But I think it's a lovely palette. Do I think you guys should get the palette? Absolutely. If you're a Jeffree Star collector like I am, you will not be upset to have this in your collection. It's an absolutely beautiful palette. The packaging, let's talk about the packaging for a minute. Like, can we just take a look at this? It's absolutely breathtaking. Name one person or one brand that comes out with these innovative art pieces almost. When Jeffree does a launch, it's almost like somebody dropping a whole album or something like that. He always takes it to the next level with his packaging, and he has not skipped out this time. It is beautiful. It feels gorgeous in your hands. It is not cheap even slightly. It feels like a very substantial palette. Now, this clasp here is stunning. I love the detailing with the clasp. I feel like when I put this and I open it like this, like I am opening some fancy ass jewels or something. I feel so special when I use this. I do not think any of you will regret having this in your collection. It's beautiful. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. How to enter the giveaway. So you need to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. You need to make sure you give this video a like, and you need to leave a comment down below. Make sure you leave your Instagram handle in the comment, because I will be messaging the winner on DM on Instagram. And yeah, guys, the more videos you like, the more comments I see, the more we interact, the more likely I am to remember your name and for you to win the giveaway. So make sure you're doing that. I love to be able to give back to you guys. I know this guy is gonna sell out like crazy. It's actually in the process of being sold right now. He just launched it. I luckily live in Canada, so I'm 3 hours ahead, so I had a little bit of a jump start. But yeah, guys, I want to be able to gift this to one of you that did not get a chance to get it or just doesn't have the money to get it. And throwing in a mirror, I mean, like, who's gonna not want that? Please, please make sure you enter my giveaway. You will not regret it. I love doing giveaways, and they're gonna keep coming on this channel because I have a ton of extra Jeffree Star cosmetics that I need to get rid of. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like this video. Please make sure you leave me a comment, and please make sure you subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.